makes you rip your shirt. Within a second, you'll be coming back for seconds. With your plate, you just can't help it. No